Picture this: a festive atmosphere filled with laughter, the tantalizing aroma of traditional Filipino dishes, the warm glow under the stars, and the joyous rhythm of music and dance. Welcome to a unique New Year's Eve celebration in the Philippines, a night like no other where tradition weaves seamlessly with modernity in a vibrant tapestry of joy and warmth. In the Philippines, the last day of the year is a grand affair, a time to gather with family and friends, to share meals, make merry, and welcome the new year with open arms and hopeful hearts. It's a celebration that's as rich and diverse as the country itself, and it all starts in the kitchen. On New Year's Eve, Filipino homes come alive with the bustling sounds of pots and pans, the sizzle of oil, and the chatter of family members as they prepare traditional dishes for the night's feast. The table groans under the weight of delicacies, a testament to the love and effort that goes into their preparation. This is not just a meal, it's a cherished ritual, a symbol of unity and togetherness. But the celebration doesn't stop at the dinner table. Outside, the night comes alive with activity. Some choose to gather around a beach bonfire, basking in the warmth and camaraderie it offers. Others opt for a picnic under the stars, a tranquil setting to share stories, play games, and dance the night away. And in the age of social media, it's not uncommon to see groups of friends and family members creating TikTok videos, adding a modern twist to the celebration. As the clock ticks closer to midnight, the anticipation builds. The Philippines has a unique countdown ritual that involves releasing lanterns into the night sky, a beautiful spectacle that lights up the darkness and symbolizes the release of old worries and the welcoming of new hopes. Some also choose to launch fireworks, their brilliant colors and loud bangs echoing the excitement and joy of the moment. Once the clock strikes 12, it's a time for sharing resolutions and wishes for the new year. It's a poignant moment, a chance to reflect on the year that was and look forward to the year that will be. In recent years, the advent of technology has added a new dimension to this celebration. For those who can't be physically present, virtual celebrations offer a way to connect. Online games, virtual toasts, and a shared countdown help bridge the distance, allowing everyone to partake in the joy and warmth of the celebration. So there you have it, a unique New Year's Eve celebration in the Philippines. It's a blend of tradition and modernity, a night filled with food, fun, and fellowship. It's a time to reflect, to hope, and to dream. It's a celebration that brings joy and meaning to all who partake in it, a true testament to the Filipino spirit of community and resilience. And as the first light of the new year dawns, it leaves behind memories that last a lifetime, a reminder of a night spent in joyous celebration and the anticipation of the good things yet to come.